Hi, my name is Goodluck. In this video, we are giving a question to obtain a relationship between k and n if 1 plus log k to base 3 is equal to log n to base 27. How do we solve this? First, we have that 1 plus log k to base 3 is equal to log n to base 27. Now, considering our left-hand side, we have that this will be 1 plus log k to base 3 will be equal to log 3 to base 3 plus log k to base 3, because we know that logarithm to this base is equal to 1. From our logarithmic laws, this can now be expressed as log of 3k to base 3. Now we have been able to express our left-hand side in a simple form. Let's now consider our right-hand side. We have that this is log of n to base 27, which can also be expressed as log of n to base 3 raised to the power 3. Now note that log k to base a raised to the power n is equal to 1 over n multiplied by log k to base a. If we apply that in our equation we have that this becomes 1 divided by 3 log of n to base 3. And from our index law, this can further be simplified as log of n raised to the power of 1 divided by 3 to base 3. I will call here equation 2 and I will call here equation 1. You can say that equating equation 1 and 2, we have that log 3k to base 3 is equal to log n raised to the power of 1 divided by 3 to base 3. Since their bases are the same, then we have to equate the numbers. So we have that this will be 3k equal to m raised to the power 1 divided by 3. To eliminate the index of m, we take the cube of both sides. So therefore our expression becomes 3k all raised to the power 3 equal to m all raised to the power 3. So this 3 we cancel out this 3. So we're left with 27 k raised to the power 3 equal to m. So if I write this will be m equal to 27 k raised to the power 3. That is your answer. I believe that we have been able to obtain the relationship between m and k in exponential form. And if you know you found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If there is any step you don't understand, please ask your question on the comment section. And also don't forget to share the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.